How to cancel a subscription on Google Pay on Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn how we can cancel a subscription on Google Pay in your Android device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Google Play Store application on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From here, tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Now tap on Subscriptions. Under Subscriptions, you will see a list of all of the active subscriptions. There, find out the one that you want to cancel and then tap on it. After that, you will see an option to cancel the subscription. So tap on Cancel Subscriptions. Then you need to follow all of the prompts and instructions on your interface in order to confirm your cancellation. So follow all the instructions carefully, and after cancelling a subscriptions, you will still have access to service until the end of your current billing cycle. So Google will often send an email confirming the cancellation. And that's the way to cancel a subscription in Google Play in Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.